Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Today I traded Mara. Really good shorts. Look at that. So mostly just, shorting this area here because I'm going to tell you later why I was short bias on most of the stocks. I was trading plug as well. It was just a mess with plug because I had I think it was hotkey error or something. So I had to stop out here and then retry again. And then eventually it worked. I was looking at my hotkeys, what's happening. Eventually I reshorted. I stopped out again, and then the short that I want really worked. It was a mess. I could have just stopped trading Mara. Mara was just great, but while trading Mara, because I had a really good trade in Mara, so I said, why not trade plug? So that's why I traded plug here. This was a really small size. I just want to participate on it, and then added here for a bit bigger size, and then I stopped out at break even. Took profit here, stopped out at break even, because I really thought it's gonna be a short, all the way to 2850, because this was my target. I tried here, trying to use the opening price as a stop me out, because I feel like it's not dropping at all. And then I tried again, stop out, tried again, a bit of a chase here because I thought that was it. So that was the move, but I did not take profit here because I wanted VWAP. Stepped out at break even, tried again. So that's the move that I was looking for. The reason why is for both of them. If you look at Mara, if you look at the daily of Mara, it has been very, very extended lately. It's been up, and then I'm pretty sure some of the traders who are holding their size will need to sell. So I think this today was a good time to sell, actually. So that's my thought process. It opened really strong. I missed the 1 minute orb, and I said, okay, let's see what happens. So I got a short opportunity here, 1570, because it kind of rejected it. I shorted when it turned red. When the candle turned red, I shorted it. I was just gonna risk either have this candle or just here, because I wasn't sure if it's gonna continue because it's a gap up. But my thought process was, it's been up so many days, it needs to sell off. Same for plug. But it's my entries were really bad. My entry should have been here. Yeah. Yeah. So actually, nothing else. I even missed this opportunity here. This could have been a nice short here, but I was trading. I was looking at Mara at that time. I was waiting for all of them to go below VWAP, but they opened above VWAP. Like this one opened above VWAP. Mara opened above VWAP. It was strong. This could have been a nice long, actually. When I saw this was a nice long here. I have a level here that I rejected, 1504. Yeah, that I think that was the best entry if you've seen that. So rejected this thick red line here. And the next one I saw, that move was about almost 80 cents. That's crazy. So that's a really good move. Yeah, so just look for ranges, trade ranges, and price action. Stop out when it makes new highs, makes new lows. That's kind of my new style now when scalping the open. Yeah, so let's watch. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. I'm actually a bit tired today, but I still force myself to trade because every day is a learning experience. Like today, it was all gap up, but I wanted to short, and I wanted to kind of trust my gut that it's going to be a short day because they've been all extended. Probably continuation will be in next coming days. So yeah, let's watch. Yep, as you can see here, I was watching Mara. Fast forward this a bit. Okay. Okay, so both of them sells, sells off at the open. That's this plug and Mara. Volume is about 637,000, and volume in this is about 430,000. But I was actually leaning towards Mara to trade. Yeah, so it rejected that, but we didn't get the chance to chase because it's still within the first minute. This could have been a nice trade, really, really nice trade. Imagine even you risk 30 cents on this one, you get that move. That could have been a nice 1 minute opening range, 1 minute orb, but we missed. Same for plug, we missed. So I was just waiting patiently because I thought it's gonna sell off at 15.30. That's what I was thinking. But it did continue. Same for what's this plug? It's rejecting this area here. It did reject that area here. That's why I didn't wanna take a short yet. If I want to short it, I will want to short it somewhere here. If I'm long, it could have been long here. But, we missed all the opportunities at the open. Let's see. Look at Mara. Having FOMO on this one. I have a level here, 1560. I have a level here, 1581. You see this? This is a pre-market highs. So I kind of use that when it turned red. You see that red? That said, okay, I'm gonna use that as as a. I didn't even hit the market order, even short the ask there. There you go. I got filled. Let's pause. There you go. So that's the move. Taking slowly there. Taking it slowly. Okay, took some more off. Yes, I took majority of my size here. Okay, that was a really good trade. Okay, let's look again for an ad. If we can. So I have this level here, 1554. So I can't remember where I got this level. It's probably just a pre-market level. Almost stopped me out. So it kind of rejected this 1560 again. My thought process was, okay, if it rejects that, I'm going to add. That's what I did. I'm just going to risk. So I added another kind of like 30 cent there, kind of like a full size. There you go. So I re-added all my shares in there, basically. Average is 1556. Okay, let's see. There you go. So that's a really good risk reward there. Slowly taking partials because I was already green for this trade, and I told myself, should I hold? Yes, I will hold because I had enough. Let's see. I thought I was going to stop out actually. Oh, we're going to trade plug for a short as well because it's having a hard time in VWAP. Okay, so I took some more off. I wanted to get all out somewhere here in this area. So traded plug here for a short. Come on, let's look. Here, so I think this is where I got stopped. Oh no, I did not. I think this was a good trade actually. Okay, so taking profit. Plug. Samara is there, is still good. I think I'll be taking profit in Mara. Let's look at that. So I took some profit in Mara here. Around 50. I was telling you around 1510, right? I think I'll get out. I think I will get out mostly here. I think, and then focus on plug. And I kind of messed up in plug, but it's all good. I should have taken all out plug because and focus on Mara. It's just really hard for me to trade two stocks at the same time. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, so I stopped out. I stopped all of it, and then I told myself, should I trade more? Actually, it was a good day already. I was fixing my hotkeys at this point because there's something wrong with my hotkeys. It looks like I used an old hotkey. Okay, so I have this level here now. Let's see. I was just going to risk 50 or break even. Actually, I just want to participate in the market because I was kind of bored. I wanted to get a good trade, like good fast moving trade. So I tried again, and I think I stopped out. I should have stopped out right here at 46 when it touched 46. But if you look, it's rejecting 46, right? You can tell. And then that's where I it's like, should I hold? And I stopped out. I should have been stopping out 46 because I chased a bit because I thought that was it. So that was a move. So I chased it a little bit. It even added twice. That was a heavy size. Didn't get filled because yeah. I should stop out at 46, 40 area. Because there's a volume in there. Even here, there was a volume. That's why I stopped out. So eventually I think it was just not me who got stopped in there. Like a small micro squeeze in there. Yeah, because if you look, as you can see, someone got squeezed, right? But look at this drop. So someone's defending this area here, like 2660. If you look, yeah, see, somebody's selling. So when I saw that, I tried again. Risk 30 cents. Well, I'm just gonna risk the top of the candle, 2660. Let's see this fast. See, I was laser focused on that one because I didn't want to give back anymore. And I said after this, I'll probably just stop. I get back a little bit of profit to here. In these two trades, but it's all good. Not like the end of the world. Took profit 10% because in case it goes back to break even, I'm just gonna stop trading. So I'm halfway now, almost 1-to-1 now. Is in the 20 area, so I'll take 25% there. I really thought I was going to get stopped. There you go. So that was the move I was looking for. Seriously. So this is the move I was looking for. The reason why I shorted it because there's a opening price. If it rejects opening price in this area here, then the 660 and somebody's selling it. This was just my micro squeeze. to test out and get people to FOMO and chase this, and then someone just dropped it and everyone will panic, and then eventually it will drive the stock up, which it did here. With fear long. It's just, this was a very typical psychological trade. Like nobody knows where the stock is going. So so there you go. So that's the move. I think I've taken most of my trade here, somewhere here. I think I took another partial here. I said, okay, I'm just gonna let it go. Yeah, so this is where I took most of it. And it's like, okay, time to look for an ad. So I have a very small share left. I can play around with my ad now. Either a little bigger ad because I don't have anything anymore, or like tight risk somewhere here. I can use this area here. You can see there's a level here that I can kind of use if it rejects. So 2620. There you go. I'll use the high of it, which is not really high, but and then I stopped out. Stop at a break even. So that was it. Really, I think something's wrong with my hotkey. That's why I was looking at my hotkey. You see that pop in there? That was my hotkey. Just looking what's wrong with my hotkey. It looks like something's not working when taking partials and not getting into a good size. Hotkey problems. Yeah, so that was it. Done for the day. Let's look what happened to Mara. Yeah, so actually it's sold off more. Yeah, nice. So this area here, it eventually broke down. So this was previous day high, 15 something, 1503. I told you, right? Like it's too extended already. So I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna go and retest this 1420 or 1439 here. It's gonna retest this area. Either it's gonna bounce here for continuation up, or continue to sell off to $12. Yeah. So short term, chart reading. Yeah. So if you look here, there's an area here, right? So area here, this could have been nice for a continuation. This is like a bull flag continuation here. I'm intraday trader. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen to the stock in the next few days, but yeah, the way I read it was it's going to sell off. That's what I would think. Like if you look at it now, it's going to sell off. This pop, a lot of people will sell because it's already been up so much. Yeah. So for plug, let's look at plug. Oh, it's back on my area. So ATR of plug is 157 and only ranged 134. So I didn't really touch the whole day. Same for Mara. The range is daily ATR range is 145. Moved only about $1 today, $1.02. But you can catch a 30-cent move out of it, 20-cent move out of it. You're fine. If you're trading, let's say 0.5 your account, 1% or 0.5% of your account, then you're good for the day. If that's your goal, you don't have to trade 50 hours, 10 hours. What the hell? Like how much is 50 hours? It's funny when people say 50 hours, but how much is that percentage wise in your account? So I have shortcuts wherein I can risk. That's what I was telling you earlier, right? I was having problems with the shortcuts. I have shortcuts wherein I can trade 1%, which is too aggressive. I don't use my 2% size because that's also aggressive. Buying power will be a problem. 1% is good sometimes, but I like using 0.5 or 1%. So it depends, depends on the market, how much is moving. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for updates and follow me on my social media accounts. Bye.